Hello everyone. Today I am teaching you pink and black animal print nail art step by step guide. Animal print are always fun. Mix up the pattern with this cute zebra and leopard print design. Let's talk about step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a soft pink nail polish. Step number 2. Using a thin nail art brush and black nail polish. Draw a diagonal line from one corner of your nail to other. Step number 3. Fill in the bottom half of the nail with black nail polish. Step number 4. Using the nail art brush and silver nail polish, draw a diagonal line among the very top of the black section to create a silver border between the pink and black areas. Step number 5. Using the same nail art brush and nail polish, create silver wavy lines horizontally inside the black area. These lines will be zebra pattern. Step number 6. Using a small dotting tool and black nail polish, create C shapes and spots on the pink half of your nails. These will be leopard spots. Step number 7. Apply a silver glitter nail polish over the silver line. Step number 8. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go, your design is ready. And if you need any assistance or help, please comment me below. And if you like my video, please share and subscribe my videos with your family and friends. Thank you very much.